Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I want to show you how to clean your Honor 50 USB charging port using household items. So never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is a piece of paper in my charging port, and to get it out you first have to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert the one part of the toothbrush in your charging port. Only one part. Then try to gently pry out the piece of paper. Cool! Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and see you soon. Bye!